Professional nail file set. DR.MODE glass nail file set includes 2 pieces Nano glass nail shiner, 2 pieces crystal nail file and 1% glass cuticle tool. A set of glass nail files for all your daily manicure needs. Glass nail files can be used for daily care to create shiny nails, buff nails, exfoliate nails and remove any residual nail polish from nails. Nano nail file can also be used as a baby or pet nail file and to rub dead skin from hands and feet. What do? Nano nail shiner makes the nails shiny and smooth without damage within 10 seconds. It naturally adds a protective layer to the nails, thereby preventing the nails from cracking. Double-sided glass nail files can smooth the edges of nails, shape nails in various shapes, buff natural and artificial nails, and remove nail polish from nails. The pointed tip of the cuticle tool is great for removing dirt under the nails, and the angled hoof tip is used for pushing back the cuticle. Premium durable glass, made of high-density nanoglass. Nano glass nail shiner is a harmless nail tool highly recommended by dermatologists, using physical principles to achieve healthy and polished nails. The double-sided glass nail file and cuticle tool are made of high-quality tempered glass, which will not break easily and the grit on glass will never weaken. Gentle precision nail file. Unlike emery boards and metal files, the double-sided glass file can slide gently in any direction of the nails, buff the nails smoothly and gently without irritating scratches, will not tear and damage the nail keratin layer. Washable reusable. The hygienic non-porous glass surface does not stain easily and can be washed with water for reuse. Glass file does not corrode or rust and can be used for a long time. Crystal nail files come with protective cases that are lightweight and compact enough to fit in your travel cosmetic bag, purse or handbag. It doesn't take up space, can help you create shiny nails and smooth out jagged edges at any time. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. Shiny nails without odors, chemicals, drying time, etc. I love a nice neutral, clean, shiny nail look. These give you that without the hassle of painting your nails. I do wish it was double-sided to feel more useful, it's just on part of one side. I still like them, but how hard would it have been to do both sides?